Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this soft glam makeup look that I've currently been loving. This has been like my go-to makeup look, this look, and the specific products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look for yourself, and if you're interested in knowing what products I've currently been obsessing over, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, so base is already done as well as eyes are already prepped and primed and ready to go. So for my base today, I went ahead in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Dawn. So this is what it looks like. I love this foundation. It's such a great full coverage foundation. And for my lids, I went ahead in with the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer, and then I just set my lids in place with some translucent setting powder. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I adore this palette so much, especially for like everyday soft glam looks. I love, love, love this palette. So I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Instinct. And just with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to start blending this color into my crease. And I'm really just dragging this color onto the outer corner as well, just to create like a nice soft outer V, and this is just going to help open up the eyes a bit more and create a nice cat eye effect. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Stone, and I'm just taking this color on my finger and I'm just going to apply this onto the entire lid. Just taking Stone on a M433 blending brush, I'm just going to soften this out on the lid and make sure it's nice and blended out. Next, I'm going in with the shade Journey and using the Morphe M441 brush that I used to apply the first crease shade. I'm just going to go over the crease with this color. And I'm also going to blend it out onto the outer corners. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. Alright guys, so eyeliner is done. I actually also went ahead in and I put a little bit in the waterline of my inner corner, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to quickly go off camera and pop on some lashes. I'm going to be putting on the Kiss #1. These are one of my favorite drugstore lashes. So I'm going to actually pop this on and also put on some mascara on my lower lash line and just a bit on the top lashes. And I'm going to go in with one of my current favorite mascaras. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. Alright guys, so I popped on some lashes. Now I'm going to quickly conceal my face before I wrap up the eyes with some mascara. So I'm just grabbing my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. And I'm going to go ahead in and set everything in place with my Mercier translucent setting powder. So it's been a minute or so since everything has been kind of setting in place, so I'm going to go ahead and just wipe away the powder now. It's all done setting on my face. Alright guys, so crazy story. I actually just went ahead and redid my entire base, like eyes down, because I realized I had like fallout or like some sort of like sparkles on my face and I couldn't remove them and it was bothering me so much. So I quickly just redid my base and I put concealer, set everything in place. So we're back to basically no time has passed on the video, but for me I just spent 20 minutes redoing my face. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and with some mascara quickly on my lower lash line. So next I want to go ahead and do my brows. I'm just grabbing the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 04. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and contour. To contour, I'm grabbing the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Taking this Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm going to take the bronzer and contour my nose. Taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, I'm just going to take some concealer down the sides and in the center, and then I'm just going to blend this all out. So that's pretty much it for contour, and I'm going to go ahead and with some blush. I'm grabbing this NYX blush in the shade Cocoa. For highlight, I'm going in with the Becca Champagne Pop highlight. Taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to press this highlight into the skin. So the last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm going in with the MAC Stripdown lip pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Next, I'm going in with the shade Derriere by MAC. It's a really nice dark chocolate brown with nice gold undertones. So I'm just going to apply this first, and then I'm going in with a second shade after. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Velvet Teddy, which is a very nice like neutral pink shade with nice beige undertones. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on top. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And of course, if you have suggestions on any videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!